Hello?
Hello?
Oh, snap. How did you do that, though? That's dope.
What do you mean? I just called you.
Like Facebook?
No, this is just through the phone.
I was on my phone, yeah? Twitter? How do you do these things, man? You're always like a wizard with this tech stuff.
Dude, I can barely hear you.
I can barely hear you.
What'd you say?
What did you say?
I said, what did you say? But I can hear you now. I had to turn my volume up.
Volume. Let me see if I can do that. Wait, how do you do that?
I think it's the buttons on the side.
Okay.
Is that better?
That's a lot better.
Cool. Wanna watch a movie?
Sure. How do you call people on Twitter, man?
Do you hear that?
Hear what?
Sounds like a bomb.
Is that the movie?
No, I don't think so.
What do you think it is?
A bomb! Oh!
It's coming from over here somewhere.
No, it's not! It's over here somewhere.
No, it's over there, man.
Shh!
I think this is it.
Oh my gosh, the timer says 5 minutes.
We only have 5 minutes to save the world.
Quick, go get the wire cutters.
Where are they at?
In the garage!
Which one do we cut?
Does it matter?
Nah, probably not.
Okay, I think I have the right one.
Wait, that's the one on the left.
I mean the correct one.
I thought it didn't matter.
Just let me cut it.
Okay, man, but if it blows up, it's on you.
And if it works?
Then, we'll save the world together. Quick, man, we only have 5 minutes and 37 seconds left. You know what? I think we got it. It's good.
Let's go finish that movie.
Yeah.